I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Google domain to Wix. We will cover two main methods, connecting via name servers and connecting by pointing to an IP address. This guide will help you get your website live quickly and efficiently. By the end, you will understand the simple steps involved in linking your domain, ensuring a smooth transition for your online presence. Let's get started with the first method. The first method involves using Wix's name servers. First, log into your Wix account and navigate to the Domain section to find the Connect Domain option. Wix will provide you with two specific name servers. Make sure to copy these exactly. Next, go to your Google Domains account, find the DNS settings, and replace the existing name servers with the ones you copied from Wix. This process typically takes a few minutes to update. Alternatively, you can connect your domain by pointing to an IP address. Begin by locating your unique Wix IP address within your Wix domain connection settings. Then, log into Google Domains and navigate to the Custom Resource Records section. Here, you will create a record, using the @ symbol for the host and pasting your Wix IP address. Additionally, create a CNAME record for www pointing to your full domain name. This method offers precise control. After making these changes, it is crucial to allow up to 48 hours for domain propagation across the internet. During this time, your website might not be immediately accessible. You can verify the connection status directly within your Wix dashboard. Always ensure your Google domain subscription remains active to avoid any interruptions. If you encounter any difficulties, both Wix and Google Domains offer excellent support to assist you. Happy website building!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.